as we mentioned earlier, we are in Delhi and we were at Jantar Mantar and we witnessed huge volume of youth that came out protesting against the inefficient BJP government who have been fighting for their right since days, and we stand with these youth who have been fighting for their right. काल आम्ही पयल्या कशें BJP पार्टीन एक एजिटेशन केल्लो आनी त्या एजिटेशनान महिला मोर्चा आशिल्ले, देवर यूथ, देर वॉज अ लेडी MLA, देर वॉज द प्रेसिडेंट दामू नायक आशिल्लो आनी त्या एजिटेशना भितर तेंच्यांनी डेरोगेटरी स्लोगन्स मारला अगेन्स्ट द लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन, अगेन्स्ट आर लीडर श्री राहुल गांधी जी. एज ऑपोजिशन, एज रुलींग सगळ्यांक रायट आसा टू एजिटेट, पण जेन्ना आमी एजिटेशन करता वी हॅव टू अंडरस्टँड वॉट स्लोगन्स आर वी शाउटिंग. तुमचे एजिटेशनान महिला आशिल्ले, महिला मोर्चा आशिल्ले, लेडी MLA आशिल्ले आनी तरी तेंचे प्रेझन्सान तुमी असले गाळयो आनी असले शब्द वापरता विच इज कंप्लिटली unaccepted. You talk about women empowerment, you talk about respecting women, you talk about Nari Shakti, you talk highly about women, and tenche mukar jenna tumi asle gaadiyo marta, that shows your mindset, that shows how you treat women, and that shows how much you respect women. Tumi eyes itle sakal pavla in terms of politics that you all have frustrated with your failures, you are frustrated with your administrative failure. You all know that the people of Goa, the people across India are not liking your government, and you all have got frustrated, and in frustration you all are just stooping low day by day just to come back in power. नरेंद्र सावयकर, तुवें म्हटल्या पळय जे आमचे यूथ जे आसा, गोंयचे यूथ जे आसा ते यूथ टर्माइट्स म्हणून, हांव तुका सांगपाक सोदता, युअर माइंड इज रस्टेड बिकॉज यू हॅव बिकम ओल्ड. इट इज टाइम फॉर यू टू स्टेप डाउन, इट इज टाइम फॉर यू टू रिजाइन, it is time for you to understand this termites will eat your rusted brains. And you सांगता कि BJP government has got rattled and they are stooping low day by day because they see no future for them, and that's the reason why they are going desperate, they're getting frustrated. I condemn the slogans made, and we stand strong with our leader Shri Rahul Gandhi ji, who has been fighting for the students, who've been standing with the students to get their justice and to get their right.